This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done.
Bitcoin is at an inflection point. Will it reach 1 million, or is it heading for a fall? With Donald Trump back in office, crypto money flooded the 2024 elections and a global battle for blockchain dominance. The stakes couldn't be higher. The future of Bitcoin and the crypto space as a whole isn't just uncertain, it's a battlefield. Which side will win? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the factors driving Bitcoin's future, Trump's crypto policies, the flood of campaign donations from crypto giants, and whether the US can keep up with global competition in the blockchain space. By the end of this video, you'll know why analysts are predicting Bitcoin could hit $1 million, and what risks might stand in the way. Let's get started. Crypto played a massive role in the 2024 election cycle, with billions of dollars in donations pouring into political campaigns. Super PACs and lobbying groups tied to the blockchain industry targeted candidates who promised clear regulations and a more crypto-friendly environment. But why is this so important? Because regulatory uncertainty has been one of the biggest hurdles for the crypto industry in the US. By supporting pro-crypto candidates, these donations shifted the political landscape, leading to significant wins in key battleground states. In Ohio, for instance, a crypto-focused super PAC invested $40 million to support Republican Senate candidate Bernie Moreno, who unseated three-term Democratic Senator Sherrod Brown. Brown, the chair of the Senate Banking Committee, had been a vocal advocate for tighter crypto regulations. In contrast, Moreno, a former luxury car dealer and blockchain company founder, emerged as a strong supporter for cryptocurrency and blockchain innovation. This influx of money wasn't just about Bitcoin, it was a referendum on the future of blockchain technology in America. And the results? A clear message to Washington: the crypto industry isn't just here to stay, it's here to shape the nation's policies. But how will this play into Donald Trump's plans? Donald Trump's presidency has reignited optimism for the U.S. crypto market. His plans include appointing a new SEC chair to replace Gary Gensler, whom Trump and many in the crypto community see as an overly aggressive and hostile person to the industry. Why does Trump despise Gensler? It boils down to Gensler's approach to crypto regulation. Under his leadership, the SEC launched multiple high-profile lawsuits against major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, arguing that they violated security laws. Critics argue that Gensler's tactics stifled innovation and drove crypto companies overseas. In late November, following the 2024 election, Gary Gensler announced that he would be stepping down from his role in the SEC. The news sent multiple crypto assets soaring beyond their already high outperformance since Trump's election. As of Gensler's announcement, Bitcoin was at an all-time high, nearing $100,000. Ethereum was over $3,400, and XRP rose to $1.43.
On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler.
When Trump announced Paul Atkins as Gensler's replacement, crypto markets skyrocketed again. Paul Atkins is a former SEC commissioner serving from 2002 to 2008 before becoming CEO of a consulting firm with clients across the financial and cryptocurrency industries. Atkins is known for being pro-business and is also a strong backer of cryptocurrencies. The overall sentiment is that having a pro-crypto SEC chair who understands the industry's potential will be beneficial in helping President Trump enact policies to protect self-custody rights, ensure regulatory clarity, and block central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Trump's camp argues that CBDCs pose a threat to financial freedom and could give governments too much control over individuals' finances. This is music to the ears of crypto enthusiasts.
Crypto is going to define the future. I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else.
One of Trump's most ambitious ideas is exponentially increasing the US Bitcoin reserve, which would position the dollar alongside Bitcoin as a global financial powerhouse. The United States already has over $20 billion worth of Bitcoin in reserve as a result of legal seizures. Donald Trump wants to multiply this stockpile over the next few years. Senator Cynthia Lummis of Wyoming introduced a bill called the Bitcoin Act that would make this plan feasible. The bill aims for the U.S. to acquire 1 million Bitcoin to hold for at least 20 years. At the time of Trump's inauguration, the price of Bitcoin hovers around $100,000. Therefore, 1 million Bitcoin would equal $100 billion. While this might sound far-fetched, it underscores Trump's vision for making the U.S. a leader in Bitcoin innovation and allows America to compete with countries worldwide who have been stockpiling Bitcoin. While Trump lays out his plans, the U.S. is facing fierce competition globally. Countries like Dubai, Singapore, and Switzerland have emerged as crypto havens, offering clear regulatory frameworks that attract innovation. China is taking a different route, holding over $18 billion worth of Bitcoin in reserves and also focusing on its state-backed digital yuan to challenge the dominance of decentralized cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, Europe is leading with regulation, setting clear rules for crypto across the EU. The question is, can the US reclaim its position as a global leader in blockchain technology, or will other nations continue to pull ahead?
And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen.
Now let's talk numbers. Analysts are projecting big moves for Bitcoin in the coming years. Driven by ETF approvals, institutional buying, and accelerating global adoption, over the next 4 years, forecasts suggest the price of Bitcoin could be anywhere from $250,000 to $500,000. And by 2033, some believe Bitcoin could surpass $1 million, cementing its role as digital gold. These predictions are fueled by Bitcoin's scarcity, institutional interest, and its use as a hedge against economic uncertainty. But there are risks too, including market volatility and potential regulatory roadblocks. Volatility remains a significant concern, with price swings that could deter institutional investors. Regulatory uncertainty, especially in the US, could hinder adoption, and let's not forget the competition from other blockchain technologies and digital assets that could eat into Bitcoin's market share. Navigating these challenges will require a balanced approach, both from the industry and policymakers. Still, Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a hedge against inflation and a tool for portfolio diversification. Institutional interest is at an all-time high, and the infrastructure to support mass adoption continues to expand. So will Bitcoin reach $1 million, or will these challenges prove too much to overcome? More importantly, will you be holding for the long term? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights in the next video.